Are you serious? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Dublin today in Palestine. So there will be some diversions in place. And we'll see forward we get down to the around the block guys, which way the Gardaí, the police. And you'll both be there with you in just a few moments. Yeah, so we're diverting here now, ladies and gents. We're diverting and due to some road closures with the protest march. And what we're doing is, folks, we're heading towards stop 5 on your maps. So that's number 2. So number 3 was just for O'Connell Street. You see those crowds of people. Anyway.
The Star Trek frame was choreographed in 1953 and has acted in a number of Hollywood productions. His best known Irish.
You will see what is considered by many to be the finest building in Dublin,
On the right.
and was designed by James Gandon in 1791. The building of the custom.
So, if you can imagine back in the 1990s, down there to the left, if you like Canary Wharf in London, down here to the left, this whole area was completely fighting in the courts to not take the money from the Irish people, which was crazy. Now, I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to hold on to Apple to keep the jobs in the country. They stayed there and played in Dublin for a few weeks. Prior to that, 3 months ago, Bruce Springsteen. Bruce Springsteen,
Maid of all work. She usually started around 5 a.m. and often didn't finish her day's work until 11 p.m.
I got a bed to start. Oh, our wildfire.
Yeah, we need to hear that song.
Folks, does anyone want to go to the Little Museum of Dublin? I was waiting for a couple of years.
On our right-hand side is the Shelburne Hotel. The Constitutional Island was founded beside this hotel in 1922. One of the finest hotels in Dublin.
In the 1990s, he went out and bought a sheep.
Ireland Party. Kildare Street runs alongside the Shelburne and the Museum of Archaeology. In 1710, he built a townhouse for himself, which you can see on the right. This is called the Mansion House.
Just on the left, look. And there's Lennon's Yard to your right, guys. The black pub on your right, that's where you get your free glass of Guinness. Okay? So, go to back to that, and you get right in that church, just ahead of us to the right, to that house, to that house. In 1879. The violence in these marches, guys. And well, there's a statue of still in it, great musician outside the west of your town. Up close else, that you figure out many times. Next march, spilling over, away inside. So we're diverting here, guys, once again, okay? Diverting. Of a mind and body.
As we drive onto College Street, you will have Trinity College on our left.
On the right, houses. We have 1,100 double-decker buses. Now we're getting the guys back on this back. Imagine this. But then he's the right now, past the arch. tell you the story of Vikings in Dublin City.
St. Patrick's Cathedral was built by Archbishop John Coleridge and dedicated on St. Patrick's Day in 1191. One of the most famous names associated with St. Patrick's Cathedral is